Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be sharing some sticky notes activity that I did with my toddlers, and in this one I wrote few sight words on a whiteboard, showed my toddlers that where that particular sight word is, and they had to find the matching sight word on the board. So I covered it with sticky notes and they have to find, so it was interesting for them as they were learning new words and working on their memory skills as well. This was a fun activity for the kids. So in this next activity I wrote few sums on the whiteboard and I wrote numbers, the answers of that sum, on the sticky notes. So he was using his fingers and adding all the numbers together as it's done in addition, and he then had to stick that answer on that particular sum. So sticky notes are an interesting game for the kids. It's a different game for them, and you can interact different activities like this with your kids. You can do maths, you can do English, you can do Urdu, and any subject that you feel your kids are not good in, you can do these smaller activities with them and help them with their visual discrimination and their memory level as well. So in this next activity I did this logical activity with him, and as you can see on the top I made that sheet for him and he had to follow the pattern that he sees. So sticky notes are like a great way and fun way to interact with kids, and they can learn new things and colors and so much more from sticky notes. So in this last activity we made a flower with the help of sticky notes. So I drew some dots on the sticky notes, and he had to count and he had to place them on the number that he sees in front of him. So he had to find and count and place them. So sticky notes are very interesting for the kids, and this was a idea that popped up in my head, and I'm like, why not make a flower with the help of sticky notes? So yeah, I hope that you get more ideas from my channel, some interactive activities that you can do with your kids at home like this. So thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me as always. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.